Wait, I think my shifter messed up. What the? It's over here, it's over here. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Man, it has honestly been a while since I went riding. I think I haven't posted a riding video in a while because I haven't went riding in a while. I've been, focusing on the truck and the single cab that, I forgot about riding. But a couple of us today are going to Broken Nut. I'm really excited, guys, because like I said, I haven't been riding in like such a long time. So for the 570, guys, we have finally ran our, what are they called? Breathers? I forgot what they're called. Our vent lines. We have finally ran our vent lines and we have the spacers on there. Honestly, I'm considering about taking them off because, I mean, you can see it barely fits right there. Focus on the front. Focus. There we go. So like I said, it barely fits in the bed. Honestly, I need to get a small trailer for it because we have like a whole bunch of single cab. We have a whole bunch of trailers, but they're all like super duper long, and for one small little four-wheeler, it doesn't really make sense. But if you guys think about it, today is gonna be the new Ram's first day pulling something or with something in the bed. Like I said, it's not a work truck at all. I don't really plan on pulling much trailers with it, but other than like a four-wheeler ATV trailer. But today is officially the first time that I put something in the bed of the Ram. And guys, it almost sits kind of level. The lift did come in the mail, so instead of it being leveled like this, it's gonna be leveled like that. Anywho, we're going to talk about that later in another video, but when we install that. But we're going to go riding, guys. I'm super duper excited. So guys, we're all loaded up. I'm just going to get some clothes just in case, we get a little too wet or just anything happens, and I'll pick you guys up whenever we get there. Peace. All right, guys, we just got here to Broken Nut. I'm going to wait for a couple other buddies to get here because I know there's some here, but not everybody's here. We're going to unload the toys, and then I'll pick you guys up whenever we are on the GoPro cam.
2 hours later.
So everything looks a little different. It's a big change. We had to leave Broken Nut because apparently, I don't know why, George thought we were going to Broken Nut, so we went to Broken Nut, and it turns out they were actually going to come to Outback. So I ended up leaving my truck at a store, and then I rode with George in his Platy with the Razor right there with the new arched A-arms, and then the Sportsman's right there. So change of plans. There we go. Where's that? Focus. We're no longer at Broken Nut. We're at Outback, but we're still gonna send to have fun and go a little deeper now that I have the vent lines. So you guys are gonna see, and I hope you enjoy the footage. Let's do this. All right, guys, we're here at freaking Outback, but it's not looking good. It's literally already drizzling, and then the parking lot's empty. But there's no signs of rain, so I'm hoping it doesn't rain. I'm kind of like, I don't know, guys. It's just been a super long day. Trying to get to a park, but I do have the spacers on. My boy with the Honda over there, the Rancher 420, he was like, yo, be careful. He was like, because I had another buddy that put spacers on his four-wheeler and they ended up snapping. So I'm kind of like on the up and down side about them. Not too sure what to expect if they end up breaking something, or they end up breaking something. But overall, I'm hoping, I don't know. I might just take them off too because they don't fit that great in the truck. So we'll see what happens. All right, we walked this right before we went in it because it is like, like stomach deep. But let's see how he does it. Oh boy. Yee! That's tough. Nah, I think we'll be fine.
Oh man, my boy getting stuck already. I'm gonna let him go through first. Oh. That exit right there is what worries me. That rut is just enormous. Come on, man, you don't leave me underwater. You know my bike lights will turn off. Hey, that was nice. That was nice. All right, that was like perfect. I put the risers up. It didn't die on me. So far, the spacers seem to do a good job for me. I'm happy with it. Let's keep riding. Oh man, it's already raining. I'm not liking this that much. You know, yeah, we're getting wet already, but to get rained on. Oh. No, you're good, you're good, you're good, you're good, you're good. Dang, boy, that's a big rut. We're gonna hit it a little fast, see what happens. Oh, this is nice. Oh, I bet you that end right there is gonna be tough. Or not. I mean, it kind of cruised right through it. All four are spinning. get out. Man, I saw none of this last time we were here. Man, guys, I'm not gonna lie to you. It feels so good to be out. And I've missed riding, and I haven't recorded in, I mean, a really long time, if I'm being honest with you. Like I said, my latest uploads have just been the new Cummins and the OBS, the Chevy. But I miss riding. My channel's bigger on ATV content and stuff like that. So we're gonna stick to it, you know, grind with it, keep pumping videos out for you guys, and keep letting the 570 rip. So guys, I've had the 570 for probably like 7-8 months now. It's been a good four-wheeler. It's really been really good. But I've been thinking about getting a new one. You know, maybe like an 850 or something. Like I said, probably like getting like an 850 or something. But you guys let me know. You know, should we keep rocking the 570, get an 850, or get 1,000? Whoa, shoot! Dang, hit that hard. Where's my boy's headlights? Does he even have headlights? Oh, there we go. Yeah. Oh, kill it with it. Oh God. He said this was deep. The faster I go, the harder the water hits me. Oh God, guys, I'm sorry. I hope the lens is clean. I can't fix it because my hand is past too. Oh, what the heck, man? My first day out and it rains. What kind of crap is that? Oh shit! Oh! Huh? Go forward, I'll put it out. What rope? Huh? I said go forward, I will put it out. It's because, dude, it's a big rut in the middle. Not here? My shifter messed up.
What? Oh, what the hell?
It happened to jump me one time.
Oh, it's over here. It's over here. Now you gotta connect it.
Watch out, it's hot.
It's hot, yeah. Yeah, I see it. I see it though. You need to get this way.
out, boys. I don't know if you've seen it or not, but my freaking shifter messed up. Why did that happen during a freaking rainstorm too? It's in high, so even if it falls out, it'll stay in high the entire time. Man, and when we were at Broken Nut, George was like, yo, you trying to go to Outback since they're over there? And I was like, man, we should. But something deep down inside was like, man, don't go, just go home, you know, because I got to drop off my truck somewhere and ride with George. Something inside was like, nah, just go back, just go home, you know. I should have trusted my instinct. I should have went home. I wouldn't have been soaking wet right now. My shifter wouldn't have messed up mid-rain. Oh, man. Now I'm gonna get sick. And now everybody's gonna think I got corona everywhere I go. Man, this is my luck. First day back riding, baby. You gotta love it, gotta hate it. You gotta do it though. That's the right! It's a hit run! It seems to stop raining. It looks, you know, decently good out here now. And it's not that bad, but going back to the truck, my man's Fourwheeler right here cut off on him like mid-ride. So we had to stop and fix that. It was like literally insane because it was like pouring down around. I didn't even record that though. But we're going back to the truck. I'm not too sure what we're gonna do. I think we're gonna stay, keep riding. It kind of sucks that I'm like soaking wet, but we'll be all right. We'll be straight. We gotta keep pushing and keep riding. Shifting like a Honda, boy. Alright, I'm not sure what we're gonna do next, but I'll update you guys on what's to happen.